Good morning everyone, and for today we are backtracking all the way down because this is another one which came in even before PIT I think, but it got just released before that. So since PIT had so many new releases, this got sidelined actually. So this is called the Glow Duo, which came with a glow gloss and the bronzed blush shimmer shadow set. So here you don't have any lip sense in this collection. So this came with this hot pink bag when you buy together, but you can grab them individually too. So today for a change we are going to do both of them together because it's just a gloss. So I'm going to first create an eye look using this, and then we'll just show the first impression of the gloss too. So let's go ahead and start with it. You see bronze brush shimmer, it's very close to my favorite copper rose shimmer, but you can see this one is little bit darker, whereas copper is obviously light. So here I'm going to use it along with burgundy, which is another favorite of mine, which is a sold out shade, but you can always grab any brown that will work. So the first step is obviously color correcting. I always like to do it with natural tan shadow sense color. You can see it will always have discolorations and veins, so that's the reason we go with a base. You can either use a concealer, or you can use a color that is very closer to your skin tone. So here I like to use natural tan for myself, but we do have many choices like candlelight, we have sandstone pearl, we have tiara, which is little darker than this. So based on whatever you are comfortable with, you can always color correct using that shade. It is just going to give you a blank canvas to start with. That's the purpose of it. As I said, you can even use your concealer just to color correct yourself. So these are the three shades we are going to use. So this is more like like a halo eye. So we are going to start with Clow. In the inspiration they have used Mocha Java. Mocha Java is little light for my skin tone, so that's why I'm going to use. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use Clow as my crease color. So basically I have a droopy hooded eye, so using a shade in my slightly above my crease, this is going to give an illusion that I have my crease is little bit higher instead of hiding under my hood. So now that the color in the crease color is done, I'm going to take the burgundy. So here it's a halo eye. So what we are going to do is we are going to do burgundy in the inner corner and burgundy in the outer corner, and then we'll go ahead with bronze blush shimmer in the middle. That way it gives that nice glow. As I was saying, burgundy is a sold out shade, but pretty much you can use even any of the browns in this, like for example, you can use garnet, you can use rustic brown, any of them. I'm using a very tapered brush. This is Sigma E27 because I want more controlled motion over here. I don't want it to cross the crease. So I'm just taking a very light motion, and I'm just blending the color in my outer corner. The way to do it is you are going to stop here and here the outer circle, same way here in the inner circle, and then the bronze blush shimmer is going to come in the middle. Always take the color brush that is you used for the crease color and just blend out the corners where the shades meet. That way you will have more blended, well put together look. You don't need to have any product in them. It just to blend out both the colors together. That's all you are going to do. So always do either a wiping motion or like a circular motion. That way the colors get blended so well seamlessly. And when you do the inner corners, take a tiny bit and just start with a little amount and then go. You don't need a lot of product here because here you are working with a smaller area, and whenever you need for the color to show up more, you can always add it. You can layer it instead of taking all the color at once. You can see now I have more controlled motion rather than going over with lot of color. I don't even take it from here. I just take whatever is left out here. That way I can add a little bit at a time. And when you do like that, it's going to give what is it, like a, you can easily blend instead of being it more patchy or take, because with shadow sense always a little goes a long way. And it makes the blending so easy, because when you layer it, it is going to also give the dimension you are looking for. As I said, same way you take the brush and blend out the corners, and that's like a very important step when you are doing an eye look, because you need to keep blending wherever 2 or 3 shades meet. Same way when I am doing the bronze blush shimmer, I will again take the brush that I used, the burgundy, to blend out the corners. So that's the halo eye. As I said, you stop with as if the pupil is there. You can see I know it keeps moving, but just assume that you are doing it as a center. So the next one we are going to do is the bronzed blush shimmer. Anytime when you do a shimmer, the best way sometimes is just to use it with your fingers. So you can see I just took a tiny bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take in my finger, and you can see it's such a pretty shade, and I'm just going to press it in the middle of the eye, and it's such a vibrant shade, and it's going to blend so beautifully in middle of those 2 shades. And as I was saying, you can always take the brush you used for the bronzed, the burgundy, and you are going to just blend out where the 2 colors meet. And similar way you can always go back and add, if you feel like you want more shimmer, you can always go back and add how much ever you need. And sometimes you can even use like a flat shader brush like this, so to apply your shimmers too. If you want more control, if you feel like your fingers you don't have control, you can always use a flat shader brush. That way you will be able to apply wherever just you need it. So then just blending this eye look will be done in few minutes. So I'm also going to do the bronze blush shimmer on my lower lashes. And for this look you can even use you can actually try any of the copper rose shimmer eye looks with the bronze blush shimmer. Similar way, you can also top it with any of what is it, like any of bright light glitter, or even red, the rose gold glitter. If you want more to add more of what is it, like more of glittery particles after shimmer, bright light glitter and rose gold glitter will look really nice. I'm also taking the burgundy also a little bit on my lower lashes. So now my eye look is complete. I'm also going to show, being a the name itself suggests bronze blush shimmer, so I'm going to use that as my blush. So similar way for blush, my favorite way for a shadow sense or even a blush color is always taking it and then spread it across, because you don't want a big blob. So then I'm going to press it against my skin. It's going to be very what is it, like a shimmery bronze. So if you don't like what is it, like a shimmered bronze, and if you are more of a matte person, then it won't of your choice. But I like even copper rose shimmer, cinnamon shimmer, or even sometimes pearlizer mixed with bella shimmer. I have worn it many times. So in that case, if you are someone who likes a shimmery blush, then this is for you. So that's the color. And I'm going to also do the glow gloss here. I know I always push something down. So this here, it is a peachy pink a gloss with golden shimmer in it. So this is just a gloss without any what is it, like any Lipson's color at all. You can see it has a nice pigment to it. So if you're someone who likes to grab glosses, and because sometimes glosses will not have that much pigment when it is on the tube, but here you can see it still has a nice peachy pigment to it. So if you're someone who likes to wear glosses, then this is a perfect one. If you want a neutral base, then you can always have a color like nude honey, nude pink, or bella something, which can even just give one layer to give the base, and then you can top it with that. So that's the whole what's it, like a glow duo. So it's only two colors. One is a gloss, that's glow gloss. The second one is the bronzed blush shimmer. So it's a shimmer shadow sense color, but I have created an eye look, and also I have used it in my lips. So that's the first impression for this collection. Hope you liked it. Have a wonderful day, guys.